Could forget you cause you're so beautiful, girl. The blind man can love you. Woo! Oh, beauty in your soul, girl. The blind man can love you. You're so beautiful. I have no sense whatsoever, y'all. That song has been stuck in my head all day. I love that song. It's called Blind Man by Xavier Omar, I think, but it is just the most beautiful thing ever. He just has so much appreciation for his girl, and I'm with that. So, welcome back, y'all. My name is Jayla Mitchell, also known as NaturalReign. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe down below. Click the notification bell so you don't miss my new uploads. And today, I am taking a trip down memory lane. I'm paying my respects to my old wash and goes. Y'all, there was nothing wrong with my old wash and go routine. I just feel like I perfected it more over time. But this right here, it was very basic and it worked, okay? My hair grew long off of this wash and go routine right here, and I can't believe I left it hanging and I haven't tried it in so long. So for today, that's what we're doing. So I already did kind of the process over here. It's not going to be super defined because I don't know, if you're an OG then you might remember, but my wash and goes, my old wash and goes did not include gel at all. I didn't use gel, okay? The name of the game is leave-in and an oil to seal. I told you guys in my last video, I believe, or one of them videos, because I don't even know when it's going up, but in one of those videos I told you guys that I'm gonna start using oils to seal my hair, and y'all thought I was kidding. Y'all thought this was a drill. It is not. So I already started on this section like I said, and I'm just gonna get right into the video. And also there's a couple other things that I'll be changing for this wash and go, and honestly I don't know if my hair will act the same as it did before. I'm kind of hoping it will. I'm kind of hoping I still have it, but I'm just gonna get right on into it and spray my hair down. All right, y'all know old trusty my leave-in, my high porosity leave-in conditioner by Korea Botanicals is super thick, and actually this is a leave-in I used to use all the way back then, and I believe this was like maybe 2-3 years ago, but this is, some things change, not this bad boy. So I'm just gonna take the leave-in, apply it to the section like normal. Keeping it 3000 with y'all, I don't even know how I did this because I'm just looking at this left side over here that I already did, and it's starting to get frizzy, and I don't remember it being like that before. I don't know if it was like a shorter hair thing, which doesn't make any sense. I don't know what's going on, but it's looking a little frizzy. I'm gonna see it through, but I'm a little nervous. I'm questioning my own self. Like old Jay of the future, which is current Jay, is questioning Jay of the past, because my wash and go still used to be popping. We gonna see. So as y'all can see, not much has changed right now at this stage, because all I do is, you know, finger detangle. I still didn't use a brush or a comb back then either, so I ain't gonna do it here. And the next thing I'm gonna go in with, let me just, you know, rake it through. I use the raking method and the praying hands method, which I still use to this day. So what I'm gonna do now is, y'all thought this was a joke. I'm going in with this oil, okay, to seal my hair, because I always used to do that. I used to use leave-in, and then I would seal my hair with an oil of choice. This is my oil of choice. That is way too much oil, and I played myself. Okay, that's about right. So I would just take the oil and use the praying hands method. That is right, you heard it here first. Just, yep, pretend like it's not even that much, you know? That's what I would do. No gel, shamelessly, on purpose and with purpose, I'm applying this product. Detangle it a bit, and then hit them with the praying hands method, because they was never really ready. You feel me? So, ooh, My hair has grown so much longer since I used to do this. For real, for real. This is wild. I wonder how this is gonna affect my results. Okay, so then we swoop a doop, and I'm just gonna continue and fast forward the process because you already know what's going on. Also, back in the day, I would apply the leave-in and then I would apply the next product, and I would just do it all by sections. Now I mix it up. Sometimes I might put in the leave-in and then go back and do the what you call it, the next product. I just do whatever I want to now, but in the past it was section by section. Y'all didn't see what almost happened. All that oil almost spilled all over my carpet. I almost lost my mind. I would have had to take a lap, a break, all of that. Ooh, that was nothing but God, cause it's pretty touch and go there. Okay, y'all, so this is what I'm looking like. What I'm gonna go do is sit under my dryer and let my hair dry, and I'm gonna come back and do the rest of my little routine that I used to do. All right, y'all, I'm back, and I thought it was gonna be crazy frizzy, but this not bad. This not bad at all. Apparently I knew what I was doing. So in this box I have here hair ties. They're not actually hair ties, they're actually cut up pantyhose. If y'all didn't know, I think I got a video on it. If I do, I'll link it up there. But I use cut up pantyhose because I feel like ponytail holders be pulling out my hair, and who has the time? So y'all know the drill, or no, maybe y'all don't. I'm wilding. Y'all don't know the drill because it's my old wash and go routine. I'm gonna take these cut up pantyhose, use them as hair bands, and band my hair while it is completely dry. My trick was not to band my hair until it is completely dry. Do not take a shortcut. I know a lot of people do it wet, but I always did it dry, and my hair would stretch and it would be bomb with the curls still a popping. So that's what I'm gonna do today right here with y'all. I think I used to do 5 sections. So the part with the bang is another section. So this like a smooth one. So boom. About right. That's not an exact science, y'all. Okay, so I'm gonna split the back up. Okay, yep, and I'm just gonna get to banding. So you just, you know, I don't even know how to explain this, but I feel like it should make sense. Back in the day, I only had to use 2 bands, and I feel like, I don't know how many bands, like pantyhose things I'm gonna need to use to band my hair efficiently and effectively. Just think of this as like a lazy version of African threading. You feel me? Oh, and I messed that up because I'm talking and I can't multitask. Okay. Yep, I'm only gonna need 2 per section. And then y'all don't band all the way down to the end because you still want the curls to pop, you know? So that's always my trick. Don't take all the curls away, but like take most of them. I mean, the curls still gonna stay your hair dry. So you feel me? Okay, that's about right. Oh, is that a gap? We can't have that. That is ridiculous. Just, you know, scoot that on up. Okay, boom. So I'm gonna just continue banding my hair. Yo, I just keep outdoing myself. I'm fine. That's what I am. Listen, to be a YouTuber, you gotta have confidence. That's just it. Like, I come in front of y'all looking a hot mess all the time, and I really don't care. I don't. So I'm gonna let this sit. You can do this either overnight. I used to do this I can't speak now. I used to do this either overnight, or I would wait like 30 minutes, maybe like 30 minutes. So that's what I'm gonna do today, because I ain't really trying to sleep like this, even though I look good. But I'm gonna just wait 30 minutes, come back and take them out and show y'all my final results. But these a lot longer than they used to be. I could tell you that. I really could. So I'm gonna be back. All right, y'all, so then I usually take like a light oil. So I'm gonna be using this oil because it's not super greasy. And I'm gonna take it down first because I don't want to get grease all on my hair bands. Why did I say that so country? My hair bands. Y'all know I'm finna pick this out right. I hope y'all do know that. So here you have it, people. This is my original no gel and banded so that I can stretch it wash and go. This is the OG. Before I was doing videos like that. I mean, I do have like my older videos, but before I got into it, this was the method. And y'all, the volume is going stupid, dumb, and crazy. This is like day 3 or 4 here on the first day, and I don't mind it because you guys know how much I love my volume. So y'all know that I love this wash and go. It looks so big, but the curls are still intact, and I guess that's what no gel gives. And then the oil that I put on top to seal in the moisture, my hair is just really soft and fluffy, but them curls still intact. No, them curls still intact. Oh yeah, so this is a whole look. This is a whole vibe. Like, ooh. Are you picking up what I'm putting down? Comment down below and let me know what you guys think of this wash and go. Like, would you try it on your hair? Do you think it will work on your hair? I really want to know, because I'm taking pages out of my own book. Why am I like this? Okay, so y'all, I really hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and I will see y'all in my next video. Bye, y'all.